Tired of feeling lost in the world of artificial intelligence? Get ready to unlock your true creative potential with the Curiosity AI Kit. The landscape of AI tools is expanding rapidly, often leading to what we call AI overload. Many struggle with the biggest hurdle: how to even get started and consistently achieve great results with these powerful tools. Are you experiencing wasted time, getting generic results, or suffering from serious prompt fatigue? Your struggle ends now. Say hello to the Curiosity AI Kit, the only resource you need to master AI-driven creativity. This is the ultimate shortcut designed to help you generate high-quality AI output, fast and reliably. The Curiosity AI Kit is a comprehensive, easy-to-use digital product bundle built for immediate impact. Let's take a look inside and see exactly what makes this kit essential for modern creators and professionals. First, you get a downloadable PDF with 100 high-impact prompts covering diverse use cases, giving you instant ideas for any project. Next, the essential How to Use manual guides you through mastering advanced prompting techniques, turning basic ideas into masterpiece outputs. We've also curated a list of the 5 best AI tools, explaining why they matter and how to integrate them into your workflow. Plus, gain immediate inspiration with real-world use cases and examples, showing you exactly the professional results you can achieve today. Why invest in the Curiosity AI Kit? Let's explore the key benefits that will immediately impact your productivity. Stop guessing and start creating high-impact content instantly. This kit removes the guesswork from your AI journey. The kit is meticulously researched, saving you countless hours on experimentation and trial and error. Achieve professional-level results regardless of your starting skill level. The manual and prompts elevate your output immediately. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? For a limited time, you can get the complete Curiosity AI Kit bundle at a special launch price. Don't miss this opportunity. Stop wishing for better AI results and start taking action. Transform your AI workflow and boost your productivity today. Click the link below to download the Curiosity AI Kit now and unlock your creative AI superpower.